Hi, my name is Sissy Gardner and I'm the Fine Arts Department Chair here at Cabrini. I also have been here for 16 years teaching art. I want to take this opportunity to tell you a little bit about our Fine Arts Department and all the electives that we offer. At Cabrini, we consider our Fine Arts elective to be the finest. Whether you like the theater, music, or visual arts, there are courses that appeal to all. We have classes in theater, piano, music theory AP, which by the way, we are the first all-girls Catholic school in the state to offer music theory in 2011. And then all of our music classes are led by Liz Argus, who is a popular New Orleans entertainer at plays and Tulane Summer Lyric Theater. Next, our visual art electives include Art 1, Art 2, and AP Studio Art. Our AP Studio Art track record is excellent. We have a very high percentage of girls getting college credit for the course. Our last Fine Arts elective is Fine Arts Survey, and that is an art appreciation course which focuses on dance, drama, music, and art history. For extracurricular activities, we have the National Arts Honor Society, and we also have a fabulous drama department where we produce 2 plays a year. The spring play is a musical, and usually our fall play is a drama. The Spring Arts Festival occurs in the spring, and we highlight our play and an inspiring art show. So I encourage you today to musically, dramatically, and artistically find yourself at Cabrini. Thank you.